Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Henry. In this video, I'll share everything you need to know about Ted's woodworking plans before you decide to purchase. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's crucial that you watch until the end to avoid wasting your money. First and foremost, be careful about where you buy this product. Currently, it is only available through the official website. To make it easier for you, I've included the official website link in the video description and the first comment below. I'm here in the corner of the screen to give you my honest review based on my experience, and to help you decide if Ted's woodworking plans are right for you. So, what are Ted's woodworking plans? Created by Ted McGrath, a professional woodworker, educator, and AWE member, Ted's Woodworking is a comprehensive collection of over 16,000 woodworking projects and blueprints. These plans make it easy for you to build your own home furniture, garden chairs, dog houses, bird feeders, sheds, and much more. Ted McGrath spent the last 2 years compiling this woodworking package, and he claims it is the most extensive one available online today. Does Ted's Woodworking work? Ted's Woodworking Review. Absolutely, Ted's Woodworking works. I'm confident in saying this because it has worked for me, and I am very satisfied with the results. Where to buy Ted's Woodworking? Ted's Woodworking Reviews. To purchase Ted's Woodworking, you need to visit the official website. I've provided the link to the site above for your convenience.